Ever spent half an hour trying to get crispy roasted chicken on the outside while keeping it tender and juicy on the inside, only to end up with one or the other? Or wished you could enjoy restaurant-style sous vide without hauling out a water bath and special bags? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and that's exactly why I wanted to try the Nuwave Combi Steam Oven. It promises to combine steam, sous vide, air frying, and more into one family-sized appliance. But the real question is, does it actually deliver on all those promises? From the moment I unboxed it, the Combi Steam Oven feels like it's built for serious home cooking. The stainless steel body is sleek and modern, giving it a professional look without feeling intimidating. The touch controls and LED display are intuitive, and it's clear that the designers focused on usability as much as aesthetics. It feels solid, sturdy, and substantial, but not so heavy that you can't move it around the counter when you need to. The accessories, including the air fry basket, stainless steel tray, heavy-duty rack, and detachable drip tray and water tank, are all thoughtfully designed and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup much less of a chore than with traditional ovens or steamers. Performance is where this oven really shines. The combo mode, where it steams and air fries at the same time, is impressive. I tried a whole chicken, and the exterior came out perfectly golden and crispy while the inside stayed juicy and tender. The ability to adjust steam levels from 10% to 90% and control the temperature from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree increments gives you a level of precision that most home ovens can't match. I even tested the sous vide function without needing a separate water bath, and the results were remarkable. Salmon and chicken cooked evenly throughout, retaining flavor and moisture without any risk of overcooking. Beyond the performance, the oven's versatility is striking. Whether you're air frying fries without oil, roasting vegetables, baking artisan bread, or toasting sandwiches to perfection, the Combi adapts easily. The 120 presets remove a lot of the guesswork, so even if you're not an expert cook, you can achieve consistent results. It's also family-sized, able to toast 4 slices of bread at once, roast a 5-pound chicken, or cook 3 pounds of fries in a single batch, which makes it ideal for meal prepping or cooking for a crowd. That said, there are a few considerations. While the oven is incredibly versatile, it does have a bit of a learning curve with the presets and moisture adjustments if you want to experiment beyond standard cooking modes. It's also larger than a conventional countertop toaster oven, so counter space can be a factor in smaller kitchens. But for families or anyone who enjoys cooking multiple dishes efficiently, these are minor trade-offs compared to the benefits. Compared to other multifunction countertop ovens or steamers in the same price range, the Nuwave Combi Steam Oven stands out for its combination of precision, family-size capacity, and true multifunctionality. Many ovens offer air frying or steaming, but few integrate sous vide and combo cooking in a way that's actually user-friendly. In terms of value, you're essentially getting several appliances in one, which reduces clutter and saves counter space without sacrificing performance. Overall, the Nuwave Combi Steam Oven earns a solid 9 out of 10. It's built to last, delivers reliable and precise cooking, and makes healthy, restaurant-quality meals achievable at home. My only hesitation would be if you have very limited counter space or are looking for a simpler single-purpose appliance. But for anyone serious about versatile cooking and healthy meal prep, it's a game changer. If you're ready to elevate your cooking, check the link in the description for the latest price. And if this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more honest, hands-on product reviews. With the Nuwave Combi Steam Oven, cooking can be precise, efficient, and enjoyable, turning everyday meals into gourmet experiences without the guesswork or extra appliances cluttering your kitchen.